Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove admin account Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to remove admin account Windows 11 from terminal. To begin, right-click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to open the console. Then run the command net user administrator /active:\no, press Enter, close the terminal. Chapter 2. How to remove admin account Windows 11 using command. To begin, right-click on Start menu and select Run. Now enter the command losermgr.msc, click on OK. Now click on the Users folder. Here, select and double-click on the administrator user. After this, check the account is disabled box. Here, click Apply and OK. Chapter 3. How to remove admin account Windows 11 from File Explorer. To start, open File Explorer. After, on the C drive, open the Users folder. Here, select the Administrator folder and click Delete. You will need to click Continue to grant this permission and delete the folder of this administrator user. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.